today's prompt is dizzy. So this is kind of a sensation of spinning around or losing the balance. It's kind of a unsteady or kind of confused situation, health situation. So for dizzy, there are many reasons, medical reasons that people feel dizzy. I have been feeling dizzy at times because of some health issues at times, or not having correct amount of food or water. So these are the general reasons for being dizzy. For more information on why you feel dizzy, I think you need to consult your doctor. Jokes apart, coming back to what I was drawing, is a human being here. He's feeling dizzy and he needs the wall to kind of give himself a support. So I got this idea from an advertisement I saw of, I think, some kind of a medicine or a medical related something. So I was happy that I could draw a human after a long time, if not a portrait. I'm really thinking of doing a portrait once the Inktober ends. Meanwhile, I'll be drawing things here and there. But this drawing, I was really very excited because the human being with some expression, this is something that I really love to draw as an illustration, and dizzy, this prompt gave me that opportunity. So what I did was, as always, I sketched the figure with my ball pen, and slowly I tried to do the hands. That is a real tough part even for me, like many of us. I also have this in pipeline that I have to draw different types of hands for a video. I will do it. That will be kind of a tutorial for them who are a bit confused about how to approach drawing hands and are similarly at times weak like me in drawing hands. So this will be helpful for me and for all of them. Everything is gonna be coming after Inktober. That's why I'm requesting all of you to keep an eye on the channel if you are interested in drawing, and subscribe my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and please hit the like button if you like the videos that I produce, and it really takes a lot of time. So guys, please hit the like button. That helps me and my channel, and all these videos and everything are just for you. So please support me, and that definitely can be done when you comment, because I love to read your comments. There's so much encouraging, and there are so many encouraging people around. I realized through these few months that so many people love drawing, and I've got similar tastes on YouTube. We are the people who search for drawing channels, and we try to support each other. So thank you guys. Thanks for helping each other. Thanks for being what you are, and thanks for all these wonderful and beautiful comments. And I must not need to repeat, but still, please share this video. I want to reach out to more people. That helps me create more and get different kinds of ideas. I have been getting many DMs on Instagram and doing these chats with fellow artists and people who are interested in art or are trying to draw. It feels awesome. So if you are doing Inktober and you're taking any kind of similar drawings, some help from these drawings that I'm doing, then please tag me. I would love to see your version of these prompts, and it feels really amazing that you guys support me so much. I've been getting so many tags on Instagram during Inktober and even before that. So it's great. So keep up the good work, keep drawing, and keep uploading. Again, coming back to this drawing, here I had to use, as I always use, the water with the ink. That helps bring out this color of the shirt, and that was quite good. Like, I brought this reddish tone to it, and I used a lot of ink on the hair part and the beard So that looks like here, and this is how you need to play with lights and shadows. As I always say, that this is a game of light and shadows, every kind of drawing. So keep doing it, that will help. One more thing, that yesterday's video had some issues with the audio. I'm really sorry for that. I think and I hope that this time you will not be facing this kind of an issue. So I'm not sure what happened, but I have changed things. I've tried to listen properly after the post-production, so hopefully this time it will sound better. And let's wait for the next prompt. It is very interesting again, and I am ready to draw it. I will be drawing it today so that I can post it tomorrow, and I would love to know your comments on that too. But before that, please finish watching this video completely, and I would love to know what you have to say. I'm really thinking whether this looks exactly like a dizzy person or not, and what do you think just by the sketch? What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you see the sketch? I would love to know that too. So till tomorrow, stay safe, stay happy. We'll be bringing you another awesome sketch. Bye bye.